The one thing that I've truly always wanted for Lauren is love. That fairy tale romance, that poetic sonnet, that, oh my God, I'm gonna look at you, I'm gonna be sick kind of love. That kind of love when you watch The Notebook and cry to yourself alone. That kind of love when you look at two people and you say, oh yeah, duh. So Lauren and Justin, I look at you two tonight, and I can truly say, with my poetic, cheesy heart, oh yeah, duh.
May the road rise to meet you. May the wind be always at your back. May the sun shine warm upon your face. The rain fall soft upon your fields. And until we meet again, may God hold you in the palm of his hand. May kiss your bride.